This fighter jet lands very poorly. This helicopter hits the light pole. This plane passing by low.
Oh, shit.
This plane approaches extremely close over a busy road during landing. This plane gets hit by lightning.
It still would have made an amazing video though.
This plane flip over during landing. This Cessna 310 gear collapse during landing.
Oh, yep. Yeah. He's in the shoot.
This Cargolux 747 8F hard landing during a storm at Luxembourg Airport. This Boeing B-757 executes a risky low turn.